2025 Holden Commodore HSV GTS is more than just a car. It's a statement. A beast that roars with authority, turning heads and demanding respect. Under the hood, a monstrous 6.2-liter supercharged LSA Generation 4 alloy V8 engine churns out an insane 430 kilowatts of power and 740 newton-meters of torque. This isn't just about driving, it's about domination. The deep, aggressive growl from the bimodal twin exhaust system with quad outlets isn't just noise. It's music for those who understand raw performance. It sits low and mean, with a stance that screams aggression. Matte black 20-inch forged alloy wheels grip the road with intent, while the front fascia splitter and lower air intake spears give it a look that means business. Every inch of the body has been sculpted to enhance aerodynamics and performance. The fender vents, accented in pitch black, add that extra bit of menace. Move to the rear, and the LED tail lamps and Superflow Performance rear spoiler command attention. It's not just about looking good, it's about cutting through the air with precision. Step inside, and the adrenaline doesn't stop. The HSV Performance seats, wrapped in onyx leather, don't just cradle you, they lock you into place. With 8-way electric adjustment and heating for both driver and passenger, comfort meets control. The cockpit is built around the driver, every button, every control, exactly where it needs to be. A leather-wrapped sports profile steering wheel sits perfectly in your hands, with the HSV center console and GTS identification plate reminding you that you're behind the wheel of something special. The 30 years, sill plates and floor mats mark the legacy of performance that has led to this very moment. Technology isn't an afterthought. It's built into the very fabric of the GTS experience. The 8-inch high-resolution color touchscreen isn't just a screen, it's a command center. The premium Bose-registered audio system with 9 speakers turns the cabin into a concert hall, delivering every note with crystal clarity. USB inputs, full iPod-registered integration. It's all here, keeping you connected while you carve through the streets. Safety doesn't take a backseat either. Side blind zone alert, reverse traffic alert, forward collision alert, and lane departure warning work together to keep you aware of every move. The head-up display projects speed, navigation, and even lateral G-forces right onto the windshield, so you never have to take your eyes off the road. Performance isn't just about speed, it's about control. The driver preference dial lets you take command, adjusting settings for electronic stability control, traction control, launch control, electric power steering, magnetic ride control, torque vectoring, and the bimodal exhaust system. Whatever the road throws at you, the GTS is ready. Braking is just as precise as acceleration, thanks to AP racing brakes with forged 6-piston front calipers and 2-piece rotors, inspired by the world of motorsport. The Continental Conti Sport Contact 5P tires grip with precision, tuned specifically for the HSV lineup to deliver peak performance in both dry and wet conditions. This isn't a one-size-fits-all machine. It's a car meant to be personal, tailored to the driver. A range of bold colors lets you make a statement. Heron, Nitrate, Sting, Son of a Gun, Phantom, Light My Fire, Slipstream, Spitfire, each one as aggressive as the car itself. Customization doesn't stop there. The SV Rimfire forged alloy wheels with fender extensions, the Hyperflow Performance rear spoiler, the Phantom black roof. Each option sharpens the edge, making it uniquely yours. Safety is built into the DNA of this machine. The anti-lock braking system keeps the wheels from locking up, maintaining control even under the heaviest braking. Electronic brake assist kicks in when you need it most, ensuring maximum stopping power in emergencies. Inside, a full suite of airbags stands ready, while the reinforced body structure absorbs impact, keeping you and your passengers protected at all times. The 2025 Holden Commodore HSV GTS isn't just another performance sedan. It's the culmination of over 30 years of relentless pursuit of perfection. It's built for those who refuse to settle, for drivers who crave more than just transportation. Whether it's the winding roads that call your name or the sheer thrill of unleashing 430 kilowatts on an open stretch, the GTS is engineered to deliver an experience like no other. It doesn't just meet expectations, it shatters them. This is power. This is precision. This is the 2025 HSV GTS. The only question is, are you ready?